The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is the benchmark full-size luxury sedan. It may be the template, but it is anything but cookie-cutter, with standout elegance, peerless fit and finish, and an unmatched smoothness to its every move. Equipped with the standard V8 engine, the no-cost plug-in hybrid powertrain, or the available V12, fully optioned or bare bones, the S-Class reigns over other sedans like the kings and heads of state who frequently ride in them. High's elegant styling inside and out, impeccable fit and finish, smooth and powerful engines. Low's V12 can't be combined with all-wheel drive, base price is nearly 6 digits. Verdict among full-size luxury sedans, it's Mercedes-Benz or nothing. What's new for 2017? A 9-speed automatic transmission replaces the 7-speed unit in the 8-cylinder S550. Buyers can now opt for Mercedes-Benz's clever Magic Sky Control variable opacity sunroof. Trims and options we'd choose for all the decadence and grace of the 12-cylinder S600. The S550 is quicker and, most critically for northern state dwellers, available with Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Besides, you can option an S550 to within 4 cylinders of an S600. There are no trim levels on the S-Class. Mercedes simply shoves a mountain of options and packages in front of customers and lets them mix and match to their preference and budget. Standard equipment includes heated, power-adjustable front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, navigation, adaptive air suspension. Anyone considering an S-Class should give the $2,250 driver assistance package a hard look, given Benz's expertise in adaptive cruise control and other active safety features. The setup can handle most steering tasks and throttle and braking within a lane up to highway speeds. However, this package requires the $4,500 premium package, which brings massaging seats and self-parking assist. Your everyday S-Class is available with one of two buttery smooth and powerful engines, a 449 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.7-litre V8 and a 523 horsepower twin-turbocharged 6.0-litre V12. The former is sold with S550 badges, and the latter wears S600 lettering. Mercedes-Benz also expands availability of the previously California-only 436 horsepower S550e plug-in hybrid electric vehicle FEV nationwide this year. The FEV blends a twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre V6, an electric motor, and an 8 kWh battery to nearly match the S550's acceleration while returning better fuel economy and up to 12 miles of electricity range. Beyond their cylinder counts and output figures, the V8 and V12 engines bolt to different drivetrains. The V12 and the S550e plug-in hybrid can only be paired with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic transmission, while the V8 uses a 9-speed automatic and offers optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Every iteration accelerates from a stop with a locomotive-like sensation, and only a hint of exhaust burble creeps into the interior through the body's dense seals and insulation. The 12-cylinder S600 notwithstanding, this class is relatively efficient for something weighing in excess of 5,000 pounds. The plug-in hybrid tops the range with a 26 miles per gallon combined rating from the EPA, while the rear-wheel drive V8-powered S550 carries a 21 miles per gallon combined estimate. All-wheel drive drops that figure to 20 miles per gallon. In our testing, the S550's highway fuel economy is quite good. We have not formally tested an S600, but its 16 miles per gallon combined rating from the EPA says pretty much everything you need to know about its efficiency or lack thereof. Fuel economy ratings compared. 2017 Mercedes-Benz S550 fuel economy ratings compared. 2017 Mercedes-Benz S550e fuel economy ratings compared. 2017 Mercedes-Benz S600. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. A 2017 S-550 eked out an incredible 27 miles per gallon on our highway test loop. More incredible still, that figure is only so-so when compared with other large, powerful luxury sedans. Although we have not tested an S-550 on our highway loop, a 2015 model in which we gathered mixed driving fuel economy data scored 20 miles per gallon, the same S-550 that nailed 27 miles per gallon on the highway test averaged a mere 15 miles per gallon in similar mixed driving. Essentially, the hybrid and its 12 miles of electric and lead driving range might be favorable to owners who spend their time in city traffic, where the electric assist does more to cut fuel use than it does on the highway, while long-distance cruisers will appreciate the S-550's V8 thrust and longer-legged freeway efficiency. Test results: highway fuel economy. Between the S-550's 27 miles per gallon highway efficiency and 23-gallon fuel tank, it can travel 620 miles per fill-up, tops among its closest competitors. Mercedes-Benz somehow imbues its luxury limousine with stupefying performance, even in regular grade S-550 form. The rest of its driving dynamics are equally superb, giving this mighty sedan the moves of a running back combined with the punch of an offensive tackle. Acceleration stomp on the S-550's gas pedal, and the behemoth squats on its rear tires and shoots out of the hole like a speedboat leaping up on top of the water. Our 4.4 second 0 to 60 mph time is not only best among other full-size luxury sedans, it's quick compared with anything short of full-blown sports cars. We have not tested the 12-cylinder S600, but its lack of all-wheel drive traction, heavier curb weight, and only slight power advantage versus the S550 lead us to believe it'll be slightly slower to 60 miles per hour. The S550 is a pleasant surprise, accelerating to 60 miles per hour just 0.5 seconds behind the 8-cylinder S550. Test results: acceleration, ride, handling, and steering. Imagine, if you will, the ideal luxury car ride, comfortable with the faintest hint of floatiness, without any sacrifice to secure handling or vehicle control. That is the S-Klasse's suspension, which is the industry standard for large luxury cars. Every S-Klasse comes standard with an air suspension and adaptive dampers with the ability to select either comfort or sport mode. Each mode has its specific setting for steering, engine, and transmission. There's no hiding the Benz's sheer size, but the car turns fine with only moderate lean and reacts promptly and smoothly to steering inputs. Test results: maximum cornering capability, braking performance is below average for the class. As with the S-Klasse's other primary controls, the brake pedal isolates most feel from the driver and swings through a long, softly sprung stroke. Cadillac's CT6 has a nicer, firmer feel, although at least the Benz's pedal responds to even the slightest inputs. Eyeing the S550e plug-in hybrid, note that its brake pedal suffers inconsistent response and is difficult to modulate smoothly around town.